Attention business leaders. As you know, the digital landscape is always changing, so your video strategy cannot afford to stay static. Our 2-day intensive bootcamp isn't just another workshop. It's a complete video marketing transformation. We're talking about a hands-on, high-impact experience that will revolutionize how you create, optimize, and distribute video content. Here's exactly what you'll walk away with. Complete mastery of YouTube SEO and channel optimization. A professionally produced video with expert speaking direction, along with optional makeup by an industry expert to ensure you look as sharp as your content. Hands-on equipment training that demystifies professional video creation. And social media roadmap tailored for emerging trends. A personalized 30-day content calendar that keeps you strategically ahead of the competition. And this wouldn't be an offer if I didn't say the words, but wait, there's more. Secure your spot now, and you'll also get a guest appearance on my growing Tales with Taylor show, already being broadcast to thousands of people. As a bonus, enjoy 10% off all of our services for a full calendar year. This isn't just a boot camp. This is your competitive advantage. Space is limited, so claim your seat now and transform your corporate video strategy.